I'll tell you uJZ kuze kuthiwe ngumakhokhoba. Abanye abantu bathi beze siyahlala kubo number 6 ngaphi kumasabhabhu la ngangcono. Yena walele emakhokhoba. Kodwa ngumakhokhoba. Umuntu ohlala emakhokhoba. La khona phana enasini eZambia. Uze wafa uJZ ehlala eZimbabwe House. Ubele umndlu yakhe kwiroom abelala khona enasini eZimbabwe House. Whereas abanye bathi befika bahle bahlala kuma appointed nasini suburbs what have you. Unkomo ehlala duze lokhawunda khona ngale lapho kule state house yakhe khona. Lapho makhiwa afika khona. So khona khiyana lakho kuyengeza ama tensions abe khona. Kodwa lapha nasiyala kodwa abanye abantu bazihlayele kuhle. Abanye abantu babe celebrate amanasini ama birthday party. Abaselusaka lapha. Emoyeni yetu kwemngani wami soluze emoyeni ngakithi kuyamanga.
Good morning to you. Welcome to Asake Online. My name is Zenzelen David and this is the Breakfast Club. Today in our program, we look at the stories of history, talking about the history of the liberation, but also people who participated in the liberation to get a better understanding of what was happening. There are so many people who played a big role in liberating our country, but we hardly celebrate them, and some of them we hardly talk to them. So most of the times, they always say, history is written by the victors. So those who lose the war sometimes are not known and sometimes they are not heard. But the aim of this program is to have a broader understanding of the liberation struggle and appreciate the people who participated. Because most of the times, injustice, and sometimes we don't even get a clear picture of who did what, when, and how. So this is the aim of this program, to give you a better understanding of history. And today in the program, I'll be talking to Kosana Griffiths Lolo to understand his history and his role in the liberation struggle. Babu Lolo salibingelele. Maybe ngaqala ukuthi lingasitshela nje ukuthi lina lijoyine nini ezimbangazwe lezi.
Mina istruggle ngijoyine ngisuke lapha ekhaya ngo-April 1976. Ngangena eBotswana. Lapho ngafika khona ngahlala khona. Kungakabi le refugee camp sasihlale eprison, Francistown State Prison. Kwakule sele enkulu esasihlala kiyo. Lapho sasifikela khona. Then kuthe sekuvulwe-ke i-refugee camp just ngaphandle kocingo le-prison sahlala khona. I stayed there, I think, up to September. Then sasiqalisa uku-airliftwa sesiya eZambia. eZambia ngafikela-ke eNampundu. eNampundu i-receiving camp yelokhuzeni eyama-refugees eZambia. Ababesuka eBotswana ababesiya eZambia. Nxa ufuna ukuyajoyina i-armed struggle. eZambia eNampundu laphana sathi saqalisa ilokhuzeni i-training yethu ngiyabona ngo-October 1976. Lapho sathi silaphana-ke sahlangana le group yayivele trainer eTanzania. Few guys about a platoon abifika khonapha lama-instructors ababesebeqedile i-training enasingeni because izipratha isivale i-training ilokhuzeni eTanzania. So ama-instructors lana sebuya-ke eZambia. Ama-instructors ayelapho, to name but a few, uRodwell Nyika, uRodwell Nyika, Colin Moyo, usanda kubhubha nje khathesi. Ubesengu-retired brigadier, I think. And then lo commander we-army okhona khathesi uPV Sibanda. uJack Mpofu uyaphila uhlala eCountry Park. That is a very senior man in structure. I think ngaphambanisi wajoyina ngabo 63 khona ngalo. And best sniper la uMpofu wawuchawa lapho. Alamanye amadoda abaningi kodwa sebajona. So saqalisa nje unasingeni ama-exercises athile atshengisa ukuthi hayi la abantu sebeku-training. Sasisuka lapho-ke sathathwa ngamaroli saya eMembeshi. we about 1,000 lapho esaqalisa khona i-serious training membership iphakathi kwe-Camp Reserve southern side of ngathi eastern side of Lusaka. Sahlala laphana sesaqeda nje nasini sisambe yabona abo 3 months sazajoyina ngenye igroup 1,000 sasesihlanganiswa labo ukwenzela ukuthi bathathele masinya ukuthi baqalise ekuqaliseni kwakungahlupha plus lamasotsha ayevele sefunakala ngoba i-structure sesitshisa kuse kufunakala abantu abaningi abangena nasini abangena ekhaya la. So-ke basijoyina labana abantu babuya begqoka ama-uniform anjani ngathi ikhakhi engani ifuna ukuba mhlophe sasithi i-Guinea Bissau sasibabiza Guinea Bissau. So thina nasini igroup yethu saside 4 companies from A to D babuya-ke labana aqinisekisile up to company H sebejoyine labo ilokuzeni i-training yabona after about 2 months sesihlanganiswa kwenzela ukuthi sihambe kanye kanye atrainer-ke laphana singakaqedi i-training kwazafika ulokuzeni u-JZ. That is the month abhubha ngayo enkambeni ezesibona nje ezesikhulumisa lokusinika nje imorali. Yabona about 2 weeks down the line we heard that he was dead at the child lokuzeni kuthiwa kuyini amabhomba lokhu ama-letter bomb khona nasini eLusaka ku-headquarters yabantu babesithi ngama-Mondays babesiba lama-meetings awe-liberation nasini kuthiwa i-war council ababelida inasini. So you'd have upresident that time wayengu-vice president unasini u-JZ Moyo lama-commanders awelokhuzeni awe-Zipra uDumiso labo bani bano-Akim babekhona khonapho basila but yena ngenxa ukuthi nasini yayikuye ivele khonapho yahle yamqedela khonapho. So we're shocked to hear ukuthi usenjani asekho. Then kwasekusithi ngabo July sasesiqalisa ukuqeda inasini training, so people were being picked, abanye bekhitshwa bebuya lapha enasini ekhaya, abanye bethathwa besiwa for further training kubo-Soviet Union. We had a very good understanding le Soviet Union at that time ukuthi ama-cadres ethu ayevele esiyatrainwa khona ngale utrain into eziningi. I-army mostly kwakutrainwa infantry, i-artillery, ngathi phosa wonke ama-arms ayisetshenziswa. Engineering we are talking about ukwakha inasini ama-bridge whatever you loku ukwakha ama-bridge and ufunde kufaka ama-mines okudubula inasini ukushaya i-enemy nxa ihamba emgwaqweni whatever egangeni nje decide ukuthi lapha bangafika lapho mayini khonapho yayingena under engineering inasini. So a lot of our guys babehamba besiye eSoviet Union bayifundela inasini ukulwa khonale, but amagorilla lawa because amagorilla that time you'd find ukuthi babengahambi bebaningi, maybe section would be about 6 to 10 people ngoba kwakusa amakhiwa esangana asazibambile. But kusiya ngokuya amalasini ama-units ayelokhu ekhula abantu besiba baningi abangena aba-infiltratayo bengena ekhaya ukuthi ikhiwa laselithola sekunzima ukuthi ixotshane nomuntu oyedwa lathi ixotshane nabanye abantu ingene ku-ambush because amagorilla were almost everywhere now. Kwasekuliwa sekuthi ilizwe selinjani selifunakala. Kwasekusithi-ke mina ngo-77 sengisuka lapha ngoJulayi ngaya e-FC ngase ngikhethele kunasini kwi-intelligence. Kwakule company eyafonywayo khonapha elokuzeni kodwa i-company yayifundisa i-intelligence. Sasifundiswa ngumkharathi lo Mike Reynolds wagcine sengu-brigadier lapha elokuzeni khonapha eZimbabwe. Ubrigadier wokuqala sekufonywe i-National Army owelokhuzeni owe-4 Brigade kwakunguMaponga uDlodlo, ukuthi uMaponga wayesebenzisa ibizo likayise omncane sikakhulelanga ngoDlodlo wakhulela kuMaponga. So uthe sesuka uMaponga kwasengena ke uMike Reynolds lo Charles Gray uyowayesengumuntu ukuze uMike Reynolds ibizo lempilo Charles Gray ngilalapha emasini ekhaya nguye kowayesifundisa into zoku-intelligence. So uthe suka lapha nathi naze sakhethwa ukuthi siza kuyafunda further intelligence eRussia ngiseKGB isibala ngayo emaphepheni. So sesiyahlala mbijana eFC Zimbabwe House then eJZ sasesilindele ukuthi sesimelele igroup yayitrainer khona ukuthi iqede then lathi bese silande sahamba ke ngo-78 I think it was don't remember ukuthi saqeda ngoNovember 1978 after 7 months sikhona ngale masini eMoscow senza yona intelligence. So ekuphendukeni ngale ngathi ngadeploya khona phe emasini eZambia nganisebenza lo late neFatima Madlela ku-NSO lapho sesesiku NSO it was National Security Organization intelligence wing yeZAPU not iZIPRA but iZAPU yayigoqela konke lena iZIPRA but iZIPRA yayile intelligence wing yayo military intelligence yayilo commander wayo kandawo nikita so ke mina lapha kuMadlela nganisenza i-recruitment the training so I would go eNampundu mostly lapho okulamanasini okulabantu khona ababefika bevela ekhaya. So ngiyekhetha abantu abazangeniswa ku-intelligence bahambise emazweni atshiyeneyo. You find ukuthi intelligence lana involve a lot of things. For instance, ama-border guards labantu balaba abasebenza customs, those people need to be trained ku-intelligence babe ku-collection ye-information bekhona phana nasele border. Say for instance njengoba lapha kwakuyi-South Africa that time yayi-hostile to us. So siyabe si-prepare in advance ukuthi nxa singaba labantu kampani abakubhoda ababekhangele into South Africa getting information eyabiza setshenziswa yithi kumbe lena singeni i-ANC kuyimkhonto yesizwe mostly because sasilama relations amakhulu lemkhonto yesizwe. Abanye abantu babo babetrainer under SIPRA camps or baze-trainer lama-SIPRA cadres. Even lamanye ama-operations ngabo-60s lapha kwakwaba le bakery yelokhuzeni e-1 abantu ababelaphana kwakuyi-joint iZIPRA lemkhonto yesizwe and find ukuthi abantu bemkhonto yesizwe lenye ukuthi bona basesenjani basesekhatshana ukuthi bathathe ilizwe labo. So they would prefer ukuthi bachaye umbhobho stereke lapha lina abalitshela ukuthi withdraw and have another day to fight. Bona ngazi baphila ngoba kulandaba because owabi inasini isesekhatshana bazi lapha kwakusangena engcengene 1 umuntu esathi information 2 3 ingakabi serious inasini impi lokhu infiltration in South Africa. But as time went on then labo sebe-infiltrate mostly through Botswana nje Botswana ingakufuni Botswana ingalincedisa as refugees but nxa selingama-fighters hayi engalithandi. This is why you find ukuthi ama-ZIPRA nasingeni guerrillas wala ayiphuma eMozambique esidinga indlela yokuthi abuyele nasingeni. They will only keep them for a very few days, at most a week, but bayefuna badlula masinya because babe sesaba ukuthi bangahlasela inasingeni Smith. That time iZDF yayingakabi khona ingxoyi kwakule about battalion usuku evele babengani nje ngamapholisa ongakade i-army eqinileyo eBotswana that time ukuthi to stand lokhu. So amalokuzeni ama-reason nasingeni special intelligence babezenzela intanda wabona nje begcwala nje all over nasingeni. So mina njengami for instance ukuthi sekuvula i-refugee camp ukudla sasizithathele eThaba. One time ngangulukozeni ku group yayisethatha ukudla ngahlangana lo muntu owayengumsayidila ngisikhathi sokungibuza nje ukuthi kade yokulapha njani alami ngahle ngathi angisakuyiphinde ngibuyele futhi ngabantu kungangicapture.
Ngesikhathi urecruiter khona mfana kwakulula njani ukuthi maybe kwabalula njani ukuthi iRhodesia ithumeze umuntu ejoin i-army yeZebra ezifufuna train? Was that possible?
Akakhulu akukuningi lokhuya. Okunye kwakusenziwa ukuthi sasingananzeleli. For instance, mina I first saw that thing khona enokuze nejele eFrancistown singamariki khona indoda agent ukuthi size sinanzelele njalo wayezinika umsebenzi wanguye obhala amabizo abantu ababejoyinile, because people would come on a weekly basis, babebuya almost every day, abe nguye obhala amabizo. Kuzathi enxe kuyi-Friday anti thina sasambokothekile sasingabe sesibona nge-hindsight manje ukuthi into le yayisenzakala ngale ndlela. Kuze botsho omunye ujaha wele yembe yakhe nje ayigqoka, undoda lo layo wayebhala amabizo wele yembe efana nayo. That is how they would identify each other. Abe le yembe yakhe nelana abe sebotshwa layo avaleke. Ukuvalela kwakhe uyabe ngumuntu ezakhitshwa nini ngemande sehambile laphana amabizo sekumele sibhala amanye amanasini. Ilist lana ngisayibona bhala amabizo ma-comrades. Sibuye simnike futhi ama-details. So you'd find that ukuthi amanasini e-Rhodesia forces babebazi abantu ababeselokhu babangakubiza ngamabizo. In fact, there was a time bezephosa amaphepha. They would call people ngamabizo bephezulu. Bantu siyakwazi khona beyanda. This is how. Ujaha lwana nasahamba saya ku-training. Yena wasala. Ukuthi wayisala njani I just don't know. Uze wa discover ukuthi lokhu i-agent. Thina vele sesiqedile nasini i-training. Waza ngidlula ngise-FC. Bese siya trainer elokuzini eAngola, igroup eAngola iqala. Yatrainer ngo-78. La ekhone siyena siya train. Umuntu omele ngayo watrainer ngo-77, but training ngo-77. Yabona. Yeah, so ama-agents ayimaningi. Khonapho sathi sesilokuzeni sesenapho kwazi abantu omunye layo wayecommunicate ngenasini watch. Bamthola nje for intambo yakhe esihlahleni. Okay.
So iwatch leyana yayiyiphone.
Yeah, iphone. So this is how even lenasina intelligence kaSmith babe le information enye engazange ngibonakala. They knew almost every camp ukuthi nga. Yabo? Even le mbhobho ama-placements anti-air nasini guns. Nxa behlasela abahle bayayitshaya khona kuqala. Babetshela mba. Anti uyabe khona umuntu abadrawile nasini abadrawile sketch. Plus especially town. Town it was difficult. Ngawuthi izindlu lezi ezasetown za kulele hlezi around kulamakhiwo. Lehlala emasabhabhu. Ikhona indlu ye-NSO abayihlaselayo. Esasihlala khona, but mina bathi behlasela that time ngase-Ethiopia ngo-79. Kukulamakhiwo around, and they knew ukuthi abantu abahlala laphana uDumiso la wayemele ukuthi ngayohlala khona. But at that time uDidi wayesehlala kunkosikazi wakhe. Unkosikazi wakhe wayevele engunesi eZambia khona ngale. So wayele ndlu kwenye isabhabhu. So uDidi wayevele sehlala khona. Lapha the only command wayesehlala la Mlambo, uthiwa Victor Mlambo. I don't know ukuthi mina ngoba ngase-Ethiopia that I don't know ukuthi the day bezehlasela yena wayengapha. I think la wayephumile ngiyabona wayelele kunasini ku-girlfriend. Bachaya amanasini la. Abafana ababegada lapha bachaya 12. Umngane wami, my best friend, engangimshiye khona wayesebenza lo Mlambo, was captured. Babuya la lapha ekhaya la. Ufe esengu-lieutenant colonel kunasini uzithini simthole lapha ngunasini ngo-8 sesibuye ekhaya la. Babe bagcine ngapha esigodini somewhere, babele holding nasini yabo yama-captured nasini esigodini. So-ke mina eyami impi yalwelwa ngiseZambia ukuthi ngiqamba amanga ngithi ngangena ekhaya hayi. The nearest I would go was ukuyafika eLokuzeni engxe ngikhambisa ama-details abantu be-intelligence kuZambezi kuma-gorillas ayebhese around nasini Zambezi, kumbe sekulama-brigade sekulama-battalion because nasini towards the end of the struggle iZipra yayisi yayisiba le-army, proper army, not i-guerrilla nasini army, but le kuthiwa yini
That's the conventional army.
Yeah. So ngaleso sikhathi kwasekule 4 battalions ezazakhiwe ngendlela ama-battalion la esiwabona.
Yeah.
Kube lo battalion commander, deputy wakhe, chief of staff, kube le nasini kuthiwa i-headquarters company bezosuba lamanye amanasini la, enye ibe ngenasini i-artillery whatever heavy machine guns, then lama-infantrymen ngenxa kube lama-platoons under this nasini under the.
So ngesikhathi usiba lama-battalion lapha you also become part of the Zipra battalion.
Yes, ayengaphansi kwenasini kweZipra. Yeah, ukuthi wona-ke babetrenwa eLokuzeni, babetrenwa eMlungushi, and most of them ama-instructors would assist there, ababele knowledge yenasini ngama-Zambians, ababele knowledge ye-conventional nasini, ye-conventional army. So babe deployed along the Zambezi ukuthi sokumeleleke ukuthi kuzaba le day. I-furthest yayise-Chipata, eFeira, kuthiwa kuseFeira, ukuhlangana khona iLokuzeni, iZambia, Malawi, Mozambique leZimbabwe, khona and so top ngale kweLokuzeni ukuthi yayizangena khona ngale. La amanye along nasingeni this side of the Caribbean, along uZambezi, ukuthi lawaza ukuthi kube nzima ukuthi uSmith concentrate on one locus. Ama-battalion yabe sesabalele engena into the country, yabe simele ukuthi mpophukhalo kuzwayo ke lapho.
So ukufa kukaNikita linale ngaphi la?
uNikita ke nje uNikita wafa ngaseSoviet Union, yeah, ngaseSoviet Union. Esakuzwa lokho sitshelwa ngama-Russian ukuthi uNikita kasekho. And uJack Mpofu lo was there. Bamchala lakathi nxa ihambo lonyaka lotirapha. He was one of the survivors, Jack Mpofu.
So ngo-1980 lapho wena ubuya usiyanga?
Ngifike lapho ngafika ngajoyini Lokuzeni. Ngafika ngajoyini army. i-ZIC, kuthiwa Zimbabwe Intelligence Corps. Ngilabo ngisebenza labo Lokuzeni, uSibaleka Mgabelo, uReward Marufu, eCapri Barracks lapha eceleni kwe-airport, eHarare airport.
So ngesikhathi asithi ngiyabo 79 lapha, do you join the army wena in ku-conventional army yeZipra?
No. Then ngathi sengivela le eLokuzeni ngisebenza lapha eLokuzeni, then ngo-79 kwase kusuka le group eyayisiyatraina e-Ethiopia, igroup ye-1000 yayisiyatraina nasini e-Ethiopia. Kwase kudingakala ukuthi kumele ukuthi ihambe labantu abanjani aba-trained. Asesikhethwa-ke sibathathu. Mina umsebenzi of course ngangi-undercover, ngiyabe siyadinga wona amanasini ama-agents awo ekaSmith. Kwakulo commander okuthiwa ngu-Two-Boy, kulo commissar uMabhena, Chief Mabhena leli libizo lenasini, libizo lempini, yena kuthiwa nguJudah Mpofu, Judah Ndlovu. It died about 2-3 years ago. Ngibelokwe ku-army. I was a major in the army. And then mina ngingu-chief of staff. Satraina-ke amajwala siyatraina enkambeni, just outside iLokuzeni Addis Ababa kuthiwa yi-Tatek, very big nasini complex yelokuzini. Lama Ethiopians laba babetraina khona, but bona belama-camps abo differently from that. There was a contingent yama-Cubans la ayikhonapho. Manje yakhumbula ukuthi ilokuzini lapha ukwadinga i-support from ama-Cubans uMengistu.
Yeah.
Mengistu, a very short man. Ayindoda emfitshane, abantwana laba bade, bonke labantwana bade kulayo. Yikho wayengani uyaqedelana labanye, hayi ayindoda nje engakhulanga kangako. So size sasuka laphana ngoNovember sekudeclare singeni i-ceasefire. So i-first group engabuya layo yangena enasini efera ngale isisiya ngaphi Assembly Point ePapa. Assembly Point yayiphezulu ukuthi ayiPapa Assembly Point. Babengayisi ukuthi kuyaliwa, but they were prepared ukuthi, because at the nasini i-training we were very well armed. Sasempopo yonke from commander ule pistol plus ube le AK. Then lawa bisenza inasini artillery babele impopo yabo yonke, ama-ZQ, ama-mortar, ama-B10, gun 75, whatever, you name it, they had them. Yasinika konke khona inasini Ethiopian government ukuthi njengoba naside MP will use these guns.
So njengomuntu waku-intelligence and looking back in hindsight, ubona ngani iZAPU, where did they go wrong?
Ngibona ngathi maybe ama-decisions amanye sawathathayo maybe we're too sathanda ukuthula kakhulukazi. Uyabona khwaphana kuqalisa ukuba ngani kufuna kuyaqaqazana, ngayisayekela laphana zakhala mbijana. Then lathi sasathi nxa kusiba le nasini le ceasefire eqinileyo, we would be talking from a position of ilokhuza, that is kuthe phezu kwezethu. Manje sasesihambisa zonke izikhali zasala singasela lutho. Awuvela usela nasini, how do you negotiate lo muntu olompopo? Umuntu olompopo uyakutshela okokwenza, you don't negotiate umuntu olompopo. Yabo, kulapho esaphambanisa khona.
You lose during the war. I mean, two of your finest commanders, I would say commanders, UJZ, Lo Nikita. Do you think they would have changed the course of iZipra and ZAPU?
Yeah, kungaba njalo, because now ukhangela nje ukuthi at that time uLokuzeni uJZ was very close to iZipra, or maybe because it was his baby, yafonywa vele singathi nguye wayifomayo, because he was in charge of nasini ZAPU at that time. Then sekusiza laba abanye laba kwase kulokuxokozela okuningi kakhulukazi. Even le question ye-allegiance yabona isisiba khona. Uzathola ukuthi kulama gorilla ayengafuni inasini changing over to ilokuzeni le igorilla walitshela ukuthi selimele ukuthi libe lisotsha elivuka kuqala limathe lenze njani, lalingakuzwisisi khonokho. Babe lokhu bethandana nani inasini, because I think it meant so much independence kibo. Nxa esekhaya lapha wayesenza ukuthyola ikhanda lakhe, kungela muntu omtshelayo, because very few ababesibela command. Uyathunya umuntu enxe ku-certain nasingene place ukuthi hambe ekwenza ukuthi, kumbe ngene edrobheni uyekhangela ukuthi lokuthi ama-decisions uyazithathela. Kadingi ukuthi atshele ukuthi stand up, sit down, eat. Yabo, so i-resistance yaba khona enengi ayikhona. And enye ingozi engiyibonayo, we introduced amagorilla ababengabalanga kangako to i-politics. I-politics ifuna umuntu oza analyzela yedwa, azibalele azi-analyzele, hayi khona ukatshelwa ngomunye umuntu ukuthi lapha kumele kube nje. Manje khonaphana umuntu asebona ngani uyabona kakhulukazi lapho kuhlupha khona.
So you bring, I mean, it's the first time where you've brought this point, because I've talked to someone before, and I said, I see a difference. Abantu abarecruitwa 1976, 77 kusiyale ngabantu abafundileyo, ngabathathwa ezikolo, ngama-urbanites. Yet abantu ababesuke ngale kwangama-guerrilla avele emakhaya mostly, ababengafundanga, and all those kind of things. And that creates conflict within ZIPRA and ZAPU itself, because there are two generations ezingahambelani.
Yeah, lelo liqiniso. Yona leyani, in fact, yona leyani resistance yokuthi uthi uzichaya ofundileyo, uzichaya uzibona engcono. Yona le indaba plus le ndaba leyo ukuthi kwase kulabo mama abaningi lokho ku-struct la. Omunye ucommander uzakhuluma yena engananzeleli ukuthi uyona athi ngakhomba lokhu ukudla kompopho lo. Meaning ukuthi wena baza kudeploy ekhaya. Yena asale lenkazana le. Yebona. Khona kwakusiba ingozi kakhulukazi. Umgorilla hla kuthathe ukuthi mina vele mele ngiyebulawa. Laba sale be. And uzawuthola ukuthi umuntu ovela ekhaya lo muntu okuriye i-understanding enkhona hayi ngani ayibi right. Wena uhlezi la thina siyafa le ekhaya. Siyancisha impopho, what have you, and so forth and so on. Nalikholisa la. So those things zazikhona, and uzathola ukuthi ama-commanders, especially political national leadership, they became very removed from these people. Whereas, for instance, I will tell you UJZ kuze kuthiwe ngumakhokhoba. Abanye abantu bathi beze siyahlala kubo number 6 ngaphi kwamasabhabhu la ngangcono. Yena walele emakhokhoba. Kodwa ngumakhokhoba, umuntu ehlala emakhokhoba. La khona phana enasini eZambia. Uze wafa uJZ ehlala eZimbabwe House. Ubele umndlu yakhe kwiroom abelala khona enasini eZimbabwe House. Whereas abanye bathi befika bahle bahlala kuma-appointed nasini suburbs, what have you. Unkomo ehlala duze lokhawunda khona ngale lapho kule state house yakhe khona. Lapho amakhiwa afika khona. So khona khuyana lakho kuyengeza ama-tensions abe khona. Kanti lapha thina siyala kodwa abanye abantu bazihlayele kuhle. Abanye abantu babe-celebrate amanasini ama-birthday party. Abaselusaka lapha. Lokho especially bona labo mama ababe ngama-secretaries laba. Le mali yakhona ukuthi bayithatha ngaphi. Never know. But sawathinta namanye amaphatha nathi sikholisa. Selikhlasha namakhomanda khona ngale thina anti sasuka lapha edorobheni amankazana amaningi sasiwazi. Mina for instance nje ngisuka lapha bengingasebenzi radio. So many people knew me. I was a very popular guy. Ngifika ngale lwaleli team 2 dileli kodwa abantu babelazi ukuthi ngunkosana. You see? Labantu engabatshelanga ukuthi mina ibizo lami mbani, but babetshelana ukuthi lona nguye phela wayesebenza studio ngunkosana lo. Yabona. So you would find ukuthi ukomanda nxa isekhonjwe inkazana lapha. Mina inkazana lapha nathole ngikhuluma la yena ubona ngani semfuna ukumtshada. Ngimlizithende kade hayi vele ngumuntu ezikhulela ile ngihamba naye emabhasikopu lapha. Engxenye wakwaba intombi yami kumbe whatever, but kumbe ngumngane. Yabo. Omunye vele ngingamazi. Yena uyabe ngazi but mina ngingamazi. Njengawo nje abantu bayakwazi uyindebele unxoxile kunye phela. Kodwa umuntu akhona kwamazi. And abe lesibindi sokufika kubingele lathi sabona ndebele. Yabhayisi.
Yeah, so you bring very interesting aspects, because I find that most of the times I want to ZIPRA and ZIPRA was a great party, I mean a great force and all these things, but people shy away from Intos and those Kuruma, the controversies that were there. And one of the issues that people look at, that I've looked at, is the conflict between the nationalists, you know, Ababe Bochong Smith and then OJZ, you know, Mankena, who were revolutionaries. And that conflict then made the party and the armed wing zingane azihambelani sharp.
Yes.
Do you think that also contributed to
It
the
did.
downfall?
Yes, it did. Lokho ke vele hayi angifuni sikhuluma amanga. I remember one time uNkomo wayesenza amalokhuzana akhe ama-visits akhe around amalokhuzana ama-camps. Kwesinye isikhathi uzabuya ehamba leNasingeni, uzabuya ehamba lo commander welokhuzi wezipho mangena beku-1 lokhuzi beku-1 entourage. Kwesinye isikhathi engxoma ngena afike kuqala la dress hayi upresident wena uyabuya lapho kwathi abesize efika yena uNkomo afike lapha noNkomo lapha kwathini hayi lokhu kumbe amakhomanda yena selitshela ukuthi angitsho yabona ukuthi kabe kukhona vele kwinto lokho uyabe kuthwele vele ekhanda ukuthi abafana laba batshelwa ini mina kabanjani abandihloniphi. I remember one time ngobe eNasini ise-FC sasiyike sasigadi Nasini igama ngisegedini lapha ngenisa imoto ezinge liyehle igorele vele ekhaya liyaqala ukhomanda nguNkomo nje konke lapha and that time iZipra i-headquarters yayikhona apha eNasini FC ukuthi nxa ungena egedini kule kwakudala kwakuliplaza kule lokhuzeni lapha kuthiwa i-homestead lapho mangena babehlala khona. So lujakalo nxa ishawuda lapho ukuthi bezwe khona ngalo ukuthi ayisibo command mbani uNkomo. So ama-clashes lana you can never shy away from them ukuthi otherwise wawungaphili in that Nasingeni kumbe wawungabe ungaboni kodwa kwakukhona. And kukhona okokuthi at one time cause ama-problems. I remember one day ilokhuzeni ama-gorilla evele ekhaya they took over ilokhuzeni iZimbabwe House bedimanda ukuthi balama-grievances. uNkomo that time was out of the country, so kwakulo Nasingeni uJirira lo mnodafu Jirira nje kumuntu waLempawa athi asukuma uJirira kakhulume Jirira isindebele engasazi athi asukuma umuntu akhomba umhlaba ngempama hlala phansi wena uyimpaba ngalokho udala wawile Nasingeni. Then uNasingeni took over nto engu-chairman weZAPU uMnodafu athi bafana selihlanya asafuna ukusilalela lifuna ukulalela uNkomo kuphela uNkomo angafa khonale lisho ukuthi leZAPU isiphila took over the Nasingeni hayi wabakhula down nje right. We know you have problems but nxa libuya lixokozela ngale ndlela soze sikwazi ama-problems akhona yini kumbe yini eliyi-problem wathi asizweni kama-problem yini ukuthi kuyini wahlala phansi kwakhona hawumntaretlo ekonjani but kwase kunjani kwase kudubukile into okhomanda babengasafuni ukuthi badlayele kumapeduze ngabo ngoba ingadutshulwa lokudutshulwa ukuthi at one time there was a Nasingeni suspicion ukuthi uma ngena vele nyabona wabulawa ngamaZipra kumbe yena uJZ nyabona wabulawa ngamaNasingeni ngabanye abantu kuNasingeni because it could not be understood ukuthi ilokhuzeni iphase yathi ifika uJZ was out of the country yammelela waze wafika yakhona izavule sikhona whereas kulo muntu vele umsebenzi wakho ukuvula amaNasingeni izincwadi ezibuya kuNasingeni. Why wasn't this one Nasingeni checked? This guy why trained kuNasingeni umaleza bombs. Why wasn't this Nasingeni parcel checked? Questions like that. But kwesinye isikhathi into iyaphonkwenzakala nje liswele impendulo. You see? Ngoba lawa makhiwa ukufa kaJZ it meant a lot to them. Yabo. They knew ukuthi he was a force to reckon with. Yabo.
Yeah, maybe my last question. You speak like an intelligence guy because one of the things that I've asked a lot, ukufa kwaMangena lo JZ has always been, said no, it was an internal job. And what would be your comment?
I cannot say it was internal. Mind you, sidila leNasingeni lapha lesitha esihlakaniphileyo kakhulu. Yona le ilokhuzeni okungenzakala ukuthi yona le ideas ifike infiltrate yomakhiwa, wanting to create mind you, ilokuzeni as a fighting force was very strong, iZipra. But if you could divide these people, divide and rule if you could divide these people, weaken them somehow. So ku-intelligence kule into okuthiwa yi-misinformation. Umnike umuntu information engani liqiniso ayithatha ayisebenzise. Yobana ngitshilo ngathi mina understanding yethu yayitshiyana ama-levels. Abanye abantu babengafundanga kangako, abanye bezibona ngani bafundile. So nxa i-analyzer into okunye kuhle kuwele vele kona le imicabango kanjani akade velelayo kuhle kube liqiniso. Kodwa hayi ayisini iqiniso. You see, and taking out uMangena for amakhiwa, it meant a lot. It meant a lot. And you'll find ukuthi you cannot replace uCommander overnight. Uyabona ulokhuzeni uMangena he was a born soldier. Kwakumfanele ukuba lisoldier. Even lokwenza kwakhe kwakumfanela, yabo. He was that kind of person ukuthi it was in him. La nxa ehamba lapha nantani soldier. Mangena vele ngani vele ku regular kudala eligorile. Eyakhe uniform yayigophetha nala ukuthi ayi4 finger la. Yayiphetha nala uyithole. Umthole straight akwazi uzithole ngabe efakile okuzeni eCuba, ngabe efakile okuzeni eSoviet Union. Hayi wayechaya uniform. Ya le ngwane yakhe chawe ngendlela enjani ukuthi ubonke lisoldier. I remember one time anti nxalise FC lapha kwakusuba le trained personnel labantu abangaka train abaku on transit bamele izimota ukuthi nxa kumbe baye lokuzeni baya eAngola kumbe any of these countries ababe njani ababe sebesinike indawo yena sine training labantu abavele training, yabo. So bese kusuba lamagorilla la amadala ukuthi ayi trained personnel dali groupa dali parade according to your groups. So there's one day siya parade kusenda pa ama guerrilla parade kusenda pa nas bizeli parade sekubuye uCele was chief of training and recruitment ku Zipra. Ugqoka amapijama anti into eminingi leyo yayikhona beduze. Ugqoka amapijama uyaxubha. Commander wamagorilla lapho kwakunguNyampingisi. One famous, I would have loved ukuthi ukhulume la, but umuntu is a hunter, uhlale vele uhlale zingele nasingene elokuzeni, is a professional hunter kubo wonke ngapha. So usebuya lapha nasiyena ucommandant nxa ebuya uyafaka unit ku attention usuhanda over. Uthi uhanda over amagorilla alo ukungena ku attention. Kodwa sozisitsala ukuthi umuntu ugqoka amanasi. Ugqoka amanasi amapijama yesixubhela lapha no. Ukusidelela lo. Cele wabe sisuka lapha nesiyatshela wangena ukuthi amasotsha njani. Ayaloku parade. Mangena wahle abuye vele smart. Yes. Xa ifika laphana ayibizi attention lokuzeni Nyampingisi. Sitshayisa attention abese hand over nasiyeni unit to command. Commander bese sifaka kwethiza athi kathi ngizawuthola liyalo lokuzana lapha. Liyalo uhlonipha ucommander wena ukuhamba njani. Bese kusithi one controversial guy kodwa ngu-Ethan bese phakamisisa. Uthi uNathan. Athi anyakwazi yona into belezwe unfortunately wayekuthiwa nguNdebele isibongo sekhaya. Yakwazi Ndebele into yakho vele ufuna uyikhulume ngelangqondo. Athi hayi commander ngicela ukubuza ukuthi kuqondile yini ukuthi ucommander abuye eparade efaka amapijama exubha abese sithi simsala. Wathi ngibani wenze njani? Wathi ngicela. No wathi mangena thithi. Cela wayeseceleni kwakhe. Umuntu echibile ngenhlanekela. Makhaleni kompohlo wavuza. Uzangonela amasuka lapho uzangonela amasotsha. Wahambe sevuza. Yeah. Yena wabe ibizi nasina ibiza kwa attention lapha. Ethi on the W getting ready to run. Wathi clear. Isikhulula. Wayile ngoma yakhe ayithanda. Zipura ishumba semiti yama hayi. Waza vele sichanga hayi morali dolo lila. cha one round, all right, break. Izibuyelele eNasini. That was the man. Yabona. So khona kukhana anti abanye abantu batraina la emangeni. Umuntu utrainelayo sengu-army commander. Wona lokhu phansi le. You start denigrating him. I remember there was one guy who John Matutu. Matutu ilabana mbanje zasibhenyo. Makori zasibhenyo. So ibona labana abantu ababenga-advance. Ngebe lokho khona phana. But elama ideas akhe ukuthi awuzasitshela lo atrainer la. Akutsho lutho ukutrainer lo muntu. Okutshoyo ukuthi yena usengabona unga. Yibona nxa sengikhomanda wakho you can't change it. Asuke ukhethe ukhomanda. Kanti bazi bakhethe yena bengakhethanga wena kuyini okwenzakalayo. We never ask ourselves those questions. But siyabelokho esifuna ukuthi otherwise that man was so pure and pure.
I think just end it here, but very interesting. I think we want to continue. You know, let me say, we've talked to a lot of our Zipra. What I like about him is very honest with it. I think in reality, so he's very, because these are the conversations that Icon Zipra, it was great, Zap was great, but they went wrong somewhere. What were the weaknesses? Because we can't have the good stories. What can we learn from them? And probably because people cannot open up. This is why at the end of Zipra, I mean in Zapu, nothing tangible came out. Yeah, because people cannot move from that.
Hayi khona vele ungabona ufuna ukubaleka iqiniso kati manje okukhona nxa ucorrect uzocorrecta njani. Problem yakho yona le ukuthi sonke siyazi.
Yeah.
Kangala for instance kati I will give you a very very good example. Ama properties on la in Tramanda. Why are we not getting those Nasini? There are so many people who have appointed themselves to be leaders of that thing.
Yeah.
Undoda uqina ngalo zathi senze ilokhu zenu isivumelana labanye abathi kuzefike enye igroup ifike ukuthi nasifuna lokhu sifuna lingobani hayi simelele obani kathi sasingela leadership. Why can't we use those people? They are better known to them there. Indaba singasebenzisi bona. Isikhuluma nge-one voice. Akonto ngenxa ukuthi mina for instance if I can be given that farm ngihle libe ngelami into esiphambanisayo yona le. And singena lapha phansi lapha singawatholanga ama-properties wala. But we paid money for those things.
But abantu babelokhu besilwa.
Yeah. Silwa naso.
Kuyachisa emoyeni yetu kwengani wami soluze emoyeni ngakithi kuyamangaza singethe emoyeni yetu kwakubuhlungu emoyeni ngakithi kuyachisa emoyeni yetu kwengani wami soluze emoyeni ngakithi kuyamangaza singethe emoyeni yetu kwakubuhlungu emoyeni ngakithi kuyachisa emoyeni yetu kwengani wami Emoyeni